Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as either a running flat wave C or an expanding flat wave C. A running flat wave C would likely go to like the 100 or the 123. A expanding flat wave C would most likely go up and take out these previous highs. So, either scenario, definitely still very bullish on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this as the end of a wave 2, and that would make this right here a wave 1. That would also make this right here a wave 2. I still think this is very likely in a wave 3 of that expanding flat or that running flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I definitely am looking at this as a 1, a 2, and I still think we're in a wave 3. I still think the most likely place for this wave 3 to end is someplace around the high of this previous WXY, which I think is a 1, WXY of 2, and we're currently in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 1 of wave 3. So I definitely am still bullish. I still think this is very likely to go up, probably to finish off a nice trend for the wave 1 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, the dollar pairs have been very, very, very slow, but we do have FOMC meeting minutes today, later on today, so maybe that's what's going to be the news event that actually gets this thing kicked into high gear again. It definitely still looks like we're in a correction, and it does seem to me like it is more likely at this point to go down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels before it actually does continue up. But I am definitely looking at this move right here as most likely a correction to this last move up, and I do think that it is going to go down, make a 1, 2, 3 pattern down to a Fibonacci level, and end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you can see very, very, very sideways price action. I actually still think that we are in a correction, and I'm not really convinced the correction is over. I think it needs to go down, probably at least to the 38 or the 50%. If it does go down to one of those fib levels, make like a nice double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape with a nice breaker structure, then that is exactly what I would be looking for. I think it needs to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C. I think over here we have a wave A. I think right here is a wave B, and I think we're in a wave C of a correction to the uptrend. So obviously, depending on what time frame you're trading, if you're trading below the 1 hour, you could definitely still be looking for shorts, taking it down to one of these Fibonacci levels. If you're more of a day/swing trader, then you're probably waiting for the end of this correction to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions that I cover every single pair on this list right here from top to bottom during those London and New York live streams. Also gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.